Welcome back to CarScope, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and most exciting rides the automotive world has to offer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a car that once again redefines what luxury, performance, and technology mean in the mid-size executive sedan segment. The E-Class has always been a symbol of sophistication and comfort, but the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. Mercedes has gone above and beyond to merge cutting-edge innovation with timeless elegance, making this car one of the most advanced E-Class models ever built. The first thing that grabs your attention is the fresh exterior design. The 2026 E-Class features sleeker lines, a bolder front fascia, and a redesigned grille that instantly gives it a commanding road presence. The signature LED lighting system now includes adaptive digital headlights, which can project patterns and enhance visibility like never before. The overall silhouette has become more aerodynamic, not just for looks, but to improve efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The long wheelbase and elegant proportions make it unmistakably Mercedes, but also distinctly futuristic. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. The 2026 E-Class comes equipped with the latest MBUX hyperscreen, stretching across the dashboard and seamlessly integrating the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display. The ambient lighting system offers over 60 color options, creating the perfect atmosphere for every drive. High-quality materials like Napa leather, real wood, and brushed aluminum surround you in pure comfort. Mercedes has also taken sound insulation to another level, giving passengers a serene and peaceful experience even on busy highways. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class offers a range of powertrains, from mild hybrid 4-cylinders to plug-in hybrids and even performance-oriented AMG variants. The mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency and responsiveness, while the plug-in hybrid delivers impressive electric-only range for daily commutes. The ride quality is unmatched thanks to the new adaptive air suspension system, which adjusts itself based on driving conditions to ensure a perfectly smooth and stable ride. In terms of technology, the 2026 E-Class is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic parking, and the latest autonomous driving updates make this car as smart as it is stylish. Safety, as always with Mercedes, remains a top priority, and the brand has equipped this model with cutting-edge sensors and cameras to ensure maximum protection for all occupants. Overall, the new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is not just a car. It's a statement of luxury, intelligence, and innovation. It perfectly bridges the gap between classic Mercedes comfort and futuristic driving technology. Whether you're a longtime fan of the E-Class or someone looking for a premium executive sedan that delivers everything from performance to prestige, this model is bound to impress. Thanks for watching CarScope. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews. Stay tuned for more automotive excellence right here on CarScope.